Hey you guys, it's Kristen and I'm back with another video. So you guys, subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I want you to follow my channel right now. So you guys, I got slime, I got two slime that I want to shout out my cousin Natalia. She's following me. So I hope you guys subscribe and hit that thumbs up and turn on the notifications right now. So guys, I'm going to show you guys my texture of my slime. So, if you're new to my channel, just follow me. Follow me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So comment down below which one you like, the green one, or the pink one. So you guys, I'm gonna show you guys a little. So this is my slime right here. My slime. This one is like watery. My grandma's yelling because my sister won't eat. Now she's crying. Okay. Keep it down.
Okay, you can put it in.
Guys, I actually like the green one. I like the green one. So you guys, you guys, when I make my new YouTube channel, I am gonna be having my two cousins, so we can be doing a tutorial about slime, or probably making slime for you guys, because you guys requested that, and that will come soon. So, well, this is my first time making a YouTube channel. This is my first time. This is my first video, guys. So you guys subscribe. So probably next video I will probably be making slime, or I'll just probably just make some slime. A shout out you. And if I have 1 subscriber, so you guys, I want you guys to do more than that. More than that. I know you guys can do more than that. Who, me? She smiled. She's mad at me. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, there you go.
The most high-profile and important lawsuits in the country, from class actions to shooting cases, from bridge collapses to train wrecks and autonomous car lawsuits, from taking on the NCAA to amusement park accidents.
Okay. Right here. If you guys didn't know, I'm vlogging on my phone. So and this one got even better. Mostly I like the gray one. This one is jiggly. And this one is cool. Oh my God. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, there you go. Thank you.
Okay, there's something my mic to get.
Yes, Grandma.
Let me show you this one.
I love making slime, y'all. Okay, better. There we go. Better. Okay, I'm gonna have a bubble contest. This one here. Okay. Okay, this one right here. This one had a small bubble, y'all. If you guys didn't see it. Guys, I love my first time making a YouTube channel, but I gotta show you guys my TikTok. My TikTok's a lot, but I want to make a first video, and my second video might be tomorrow. Tomorrow. So if I hope you guys like my video. I hope you guys like the video. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you already, and comment down below if you already subscribed. And you have to subscribe to the channel. And I'm new here. What are you looking at? Oh my god. That's my sister right there. I'm gonna get my sister. Grandma, let me
Okay, don't hold it on the floor, okay? Don't hold it. She's not coming. She's not there, please. Put it on the floor. Let her play the floor. What and all it.
So you guys, if you see my sister right there, my grandma said to put her down, and I did. So, let me see. Wait, I got hair in my scalp.
This like your toilet? Yes. Okay. Okay. You okay, Lovin là? Lovin là pour les manger encore Lovin. Ou fit mon frère, fit manger ça. Marvin. You're not going to the car.
I love this slime. Yeah, this one is my favorite one that I made. So you guys, I never vlogged at my school. So if I bring my phone to school, I'm gonna vlog for y'all. But bam, for the fams. For the fans. I'm gonna vlog for my fans. And I'm gonna ask my friends to follow me. They never saw my YouTube channel. So yeah, it's gonna be a long vlog. Guys, I'm gonna show you. Hey Mama. Bye-bye. Hey Mama. Bye-bye. This is my sister. So you guys, that was my sister. If you guys wanted to see her again, comment down below. Is she cute? She's cute. I know she is cute. But yeah.
Let me take care of myself when I'm finished. I get to take care of it.
A C. You just said B. Nice, it's fine. Okay, I'll watch her for you.
Yes, made gloss celebration for body.
She plays over here. She plays over here with the toy.
Give me that. Give it to me. You're not going to put it in your mouth.
I took that from her. Slime's hard. Slime is hard. Stop! This slime is the softest slime ever. And mostly I